Hey, what's up guys, this is FNH here, and today I'm going to show you guys how you guys can stop your lag in Call of Duty Modern Warfare. Alright, so if you have a PS4 or Xbox or even PC, this should definitely help you guys if you for some reason always lag when you're in a game. Okay, so I've had this problem in the past, right? I think part of it had to do with my internet, and then also part of it is just, I don't know, just maybe my PS4 is getting really old. But yeah, it's really simple to do. There's just a few settings you want to change. So I have a picture up here, right, with most of the settings. So you want to do is you want to change the default graphic settings that are there. Okay, so the graphic settings that are there by default are for the most optimal view, right? That doesn't mean that it's best for I guess for your internet latency, right? So these changes will help you. All right, so the first thing what you want to do is go to settings, right? Click on the graphics tab on top, or scroll to that, and then you want to go to film grain. You can see on the bottom of the picture, right? You want to make it higher. Okay, in my opinion that does help, right? It's just, I think by default it's at like 0.25. You can actually mess around with this one. In my personal experience, making it higher helped me. Other people I've noticed, they say making it lower helped them. So just this one you can kind of mess around with. All right, next one, what you want to do is you see world motion blur and weapon motion blur. All right, so these are the two big main ones. Okay, you want to disable both of these. Okay, so you can see the picture on the right over here. It shows that basically what that is. It's basically when you're turning, it adds a blur motion to your weapon and the world. Okay, this definitely uses more resources, more internet, right? It does cause more stress on your system, so just removing it I guess helps. And not only that, in my opinion, just disabling this option just helps generally while you're playing. All right, so next thing what you want to do is there's other options a little more down, right? And you want to go to, let's see if I can see one here. I don't see one exactly here, but basically if you just scroll down, you can see that there's a dismemberment option, right? And basically you want to make that disabled, right? What that is basically that when you kill someone, you can see them, their arms fly off and whatever, and that uses more resources and stress on your system. So just removing that completely will help. All right, last but not least is storage. Okay, so this one people kind of overlook or underestimate. You want to always have a decent amount of extra storage on your system. Okay, so if you have, let's say for example, a PS4 like me, and you have like, let's say 5 gigs or like even less than 5 gigs of free space, that can probably hurt your performance while playing it. Okay, because when you're playing, there's always these extra temporary files that are being saved on your PS4, whether from the internet while playing. So you definitely want to have a decent amount of extra storage. Okay, me personally, I like to keep at least 50 gigs free, right, for any game I play. So for me, I find that this definitely helps, right? Most people don't really think about it, but yeah, you should definitely keep that extra storage clear. All right, so yeah, that's basically the main things. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If if it helped you guys, definitely subscribe and hit that notification bell. If you have any question or comments, leave it down in the comment section below. I'd definitely love to help you guys out. Other than that, FNH out. Peace.